Hi guys, it's Christina Connolly with another tech tip for you today. Today's tip is about using tables on a Google Doc to make it easier for people to fill out your document. So if you look under the Insert menu on Google Doc, you'll notice that there's no place for you to insert a text box. This is a lot different than Microsoft Word, in which you can add a text box easily through the Insert menu. So on Google Docs, we get a little bit creative and we can use tables instead. And this is a great alternative as opposed to just having somebody fill out their response next to a prompt, because that can be sometimes confusing for people to know where the information should go. And it's also a lot better than using a line, because when you make an underline, that can really mess up your formatting, as you can see here. So what I'm suggesting is that you insert a table to help organize the responses to questions. You can see below how that was done to help to clarify where responses to questions should go. It's really easy to insert a table. All you need to do is go to the Insert menu and choose Table, and you'll see a grid where you can decide how many rows and how many columns you want your table to be. So this might be helpful if you have students filling out a compare and contrast chart. I might do 2 columns to compare 2 different things, or I could stretch that out to whatever my needs are. But if it's just one answer to one question, then we'll choose a 1 by 1, and you get a nice block in which your participants can now enter their text. The nice thing about using a table is that as the answer stretches, the table will also stretch with it. So it doesn't affect the information that's below or above or elsewhere on the page. You can also format your table by right-clicking, and if you decide you needed to add a row above or below, you can do that here. You can insert columns left and right as well. Let me show you an example of inserting a row, and now I'll right-click and I'll insert a column as well. So now I've changed the dimensions of my table to suit my information a little bit better. And you can also drag the size. So this might be good for numbered bits of information to keep things a little bit more organized. And one last thing to show you is, again, on the right-click menu, if I go into Table Properties, there are some more options for me here, including adding a border, color in the background, some cell alignment, and some more information for your dimensions and alignment on the right. If you need help or have questions about this tip, please reach out and let me know. Thanks and have a great day.